right, you're welcome back. You still there on top of Good Morning Naija show. 2 minutes, the waka past the hour of 8. Yes, plenty goodies still there available for your color being pleasure on top of the show. Right about now, we don't get to catch our guest. This woman necessary said diva on top of the matter. We're going to talk styling today. Fashion, styling, everything we concern wearing of outfits and casual outfits. This particular young lady, she be professional wardrobe stylist, fashion consultant, and YouTuber. We're based inside Lagos. She done inside fashion for a very long time now, since 2009. She they do personal shopping, she they sell female wears, but she don't go professional now as a stylist and fashion consultant. And I style with more than 9 be her name on top of YouTube. For those of you who want to check them out to make you see how to stand out. If you desire to stand out, she is the go-to woman. Ladies and gentlemen, join me as I welcome Maureen. Babella Hotel.
I'm so honored to be here.
Oh,
Thank you.
Better speak pidgin for those English.
I'm very happy to be here this morning.
Correct.
Thank you guys for having me.
You're welcome. All right, make me go back to the nitty-gritty of this thing where they talk about. You know, say when they talk about styling, for inside Nigeria, and I still new thing.
True.
A lot of people go just wear their own thing. Maybe you they naturally inclined towards fashion, but what it bring this new styling thing called Nigeria? Shana the obodo Igbo people where would they watch? Now they make it more easy for people to say, I want to do styling as well.
Okay, the truth be say, styling that's something we don't do there since. But now, people tend to bring out money to call someone to say, now I want you to be my stylist. Because we just, like you said, yes, Obodo Igbo has influenced
a lot of things.
a whole lot. Because those are the people where would they look at when it comes to fashion. So I agree with you that yes, Obodo Igbo was the reason why people can actually say, okay, you know what, come and style me, I will pay so amount and everything. And people want to look good these days. I mean, like, you know, style is something, it has to do with who you are. The way you dress is actually the way, I always say that style is a way of saying who you are without having actually getting to speak. When people see you, they already say, okay, this is the kind of person. It's not 100% anyways, but that's because we believe in what we see. You know, it's,
Very true, very true. Me don't know you for a very long time. I know say yes, you don't from coming front, you don't get eye for fashion back in school days. But tell me, at what point in life you decide, say, okay, I want to take up styling and waiting inform that desire to say, okay, I go school, yes, true, but this one, I want took head, took my money, invest, become a professional on top of the matter. Wait till inform that decision. Okay,
after I finished school for 2009, I of course, like every normal person who finish university, you look for a job, and but I get to find out that everywhere I go look for a job, or maybe I get a job and I won't work there and everything, my bosses will be like, why are you wasting your time here? Why you not go into fashion? Like when people see you, most times when I go for meetings, people will be like, oh, are you into fashion? Meanwhile, then I know they even do fashion. So everybody was advising me, why don't you just go into it? So I now start to sell. That was the first thing I started selling, you know, So I begin sell to girls and everything. But at some point, people can begin to approach me that I will want you to style me. I have a boutique, I want to do like a shoot. I beg, come and style my models and all. And I just figured, because when I was selling, I'm not going to lie to you, so much debt and everything. You know,
when it comes to women matter, they say they did plenty.
You know what I mean? So that's it. That was when I decided last year, actually, to do it. But this year, full-time into it.
Wow. Make me even ask you, okay, you know, say women, they're different, all kinds of women.
Sure.
Just give us an experience, like all the women we don't see now. I know, say, from the styling eye, you go know our personality.
Yeah.
You go know what me, Chika, Uwi, Naija of cars, we all get different personalities.
Sure.
So make people feel you. You know, say when people see somebody spot on, everybody say, I dey go check YouTube. This woman go fit help me. I dey Port Harcourt, but see my body, I get big belly. I know they ever wear anything where people go look me say, you try.
Fine.
So I beg, analyze our styles so that we can, you know.
You can feel your styling pulse.
Yeah, no.
yes.
Okay,
Start with
Chica.
me.
Because that Chica
Start with Chica. Chica, they more like, you know, I would say a bit hippie.
Yes.
So if I want to style her, she's actually very simple to style. Because she's more of my kind of style. Even though styling has to do with occasion and events too. But one thing about being stylish is there is something, maybe people wear it in a certain way. But what makes you different from every other person is when you bring out the uniqueness of that outfit. So if I want to style Chica, I will definitely want to make Chica comfortable by dressing her the way she will feel comfortable, her own style, but I will add a little uniqueness to whatever she's wearing. When she comes out, people will be like, I never knew this can go with this, something like that. Then you, because of your body type, of course, if you feel comfortable wearing something huggy, you know, most people that on the big side, plus sizes, they really don't feel comfortable wearing things that. But if you feel comfortable, go for it, because that's what I'm about. Like, whatever makes you comfortable. Not what people want, not what society wants you to wear.
But a lot of people will tell you that, because your body, like me, I don't like to put myself in bulky clothing. People say, I like small clothes. If the dress is going, not that I wear micro mini, but I would rather wear something slightly above my knee because I always feel it makes my body together.
Okay.
It pulls you together.
It pulls me together. But a lot of people go say, no, wear black. But stylists have told me that bright color suits me. So when I wear pop of color, it's nice.
Yeah.
If I wear fuchsia pink, it's nice. If I wear lemon green, it's nice. But some will say black gives you a slimmer silhouette. Must you follow that line all the time?
No. It's not always like that all the time. Like I said, it's about what if you, like you said, you like wearing things above your knee.
Yeah.
That means if I put you in something that is long, you will not be comfortable. That's what I'm saying. You will not even, because it's about confidence too. When you walk, even if you're wearing rubbish and walk into the studio, your confidence makes people like what you're wearing because you own it. Do you understand? So I think it's about, it has nothing to do with colors. Yes, colors sometimes matters because like you said, black makes you slimmer. But that does not mean that when you're wearing a pop of color, maybe like pink, because you're dark. So I feel like colors will make you pop out. Do you know what I mean? Like pop out. It's not necessarily going to... There are clothing that can make someone look slim. It doesn't have to do with color.
Wow. You don't see, say, when you talk to person who sabi this thing, you go, no, say, this one no be beans at all. But person, they make money. When they see work well for this new business. Because a lot of young people are looking up to a lot of us for mentorship.
And entrepreneurial skills.
So when they see women like you, where they're confident, they talk with a lot of people are watching us across the country. They say, wow, so this lady, as she beautiful, she they do this thing like work. I go check them out on YouTube so that I go feed a follower. Maybe she go feed a train and all those kind of things. You get all those kind of plans?
To train people?
Yeah, to train. And are you making money?
Yeah. But of course, yes, I do make money for it because business is all about making money in as much as your passion first. Because if you have passion doing something, the money is not even the reason for doing it first, but the money will come later. It's about building something and something you enjoy doing. That's why the second one you asked about mentoring, that was why I decided to start a YouTube channel. Because you can't get to everybody. So I started the YouTube channel, make people, they go there because it's easier to go online. Go and see ways you can wear a certain thing, ways you can dress to this kind of occasion. Ways
like the one where you will shoot for screen now?
Yeah, this was my, this one my first video. And I was telling people that's an item, a piece of clothing, that's the cami white.
The white one,
the white tunic top I'm wearing. They show people 5 ways to wear that particular top. Like, no matter your style, like some people are very conservative. You don't have to wear the hat.
Wow,
and
see how
do
she
the
stand
same-
the front.
Yeah,
You
see the
can't
way
see
I
where
do
we
the
palazzo.
couple
Yeah,
pants,
exactly. Why I did it that way, I can also knot it. But the thing is, some people will not want to wear it like that, and everything will be
Just be bogus.
So I had to give it a little
definition.
Yeah, exactly. So that's
Wow.
literally.
Wow.
But I would like to ask you, Maureen, right about now, 2015 where we did so, I know say styling and fashion, they go hand in hand. How you go rate our fashion industry for inside Nigeria? I know say, yes, we get Western influences, but right about now, a lot of African designers and Nigerian designers, they take over. We don't see Obama wife, they wear African prints. A lot of celebrities, even Beyonce, they wear African prints. So wait,
Gabriel Union.
Yes. How you go rate our own Nigerian fashion industry right about now in terms of how well we are doing even on the international scene?
I would say we're doing very well. We did do very well. If you want me to rate it, I would say 9 over 10.
Wow.
We're doing, yeah. Give it to us. We're doing so well out there. Because it's not easy. Don't forget, say, this country, we don't get season or, we wear the same thing
all
like
year
abroad. You know how all year round we wear the same thing. And we still keep up. So you know what I mean? Like, yeah,
fashion.
exactly. Still keep up with coming up with our own thing and still look good on our own and everything. Because they have summer, it makes them more change their whole yeah. But,
Wow.
So I would say 9 over 10. We're really, really trying.
So if people want to follow you now on top maybe Instagram or social media, what will be your handle so that people go fit they feel your style?
Okay, for Instagram, it's Style with Maureen.
Okay.
On Twitter, Style is yours with Maureen.
Style is yours with
Style
Maureen on
is
Twitter.
yours with Maureen on Twitter. The yours is URS.
URS, okay.
Yes. Then
And
on
YouTube?
Facebook, the same Style is yours with Maureen. The same styling. And on my YouTube channel is to get me on YouTube is Style with Maureen.
Nice.
Style with Maureen.
People like say good morning, Naija, so don't get a new stylist. No, thank God.
Chipe.
No more stress.
Maureen,
Chipe.
thank God. If you not do it, I go say now you give me this big guy. All right, so thank you very much, Maureen. So you find time come. I know say a lot of young people go be very happy about this our guest today. But just go check her out on top social media, and there you go take feel her style. Where that little video, she get a lot of them on top YouTube. We go just say, oh, so if you do like this, I go try them. All right, the Good Morning Naija show still continues in a moment when they come back.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.